Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it.
All right, a few of you are going to be disappointed. I'm back into Kenworth. I know. Stay in the Superliner. I know. That's fun on video, but in reality, you can't beat 600 horsepower versus 350 horsepower when you're running the weight that we run all day. But I'm happy I got my truck back. I just ran it today. It's running great. Got brand new stacks. Little taller. I love the way they came out. They look so awesome. Very happy with them. Did a hell of a job in our shop. I got new air cleaner, all new air cleaner lights. Some of them were starting to burn out. New elbows, new mufflers. And they're actually straight. You want to have fun, go back to my old videos. My stacks always leaned a little forward. That's how they came from who we bought them from. Look at that. Straight all the way up to the sky. Oh, I'm loving it. Got that fixed. I got my window fixed. It goes up and down nice. I got my new heater panel. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about, my channel is everything trucking, and this video actually has nothing to do with my truck, so I'm gonna fast forward. By the way, it's all about the details. Brass, polished. Polish your brass, dump truck drivers. It's very easy to do. It's all about the details. Oh, look, I even remember my last video. That corner I ripped that corner off. We did the window. And so, hey, enjoy the video. Leave a comment below. Please hit that subscribe button. Share with a friend. And Boston Truck, you're out. Oh, no, not out. Stay tuned. I just received a package in the mail. And I thought I'd open it with you guys because at first glance, it's a lot of old cool trucker stuff. Now, my friend Katie, she used to be a trucker. She used to be out there on the road in the 90s, on the road same time I was. And I've never met her. We've been friends on Facebook for probably over 10, 11, 12 years. And she was emptying out some boxes at home. And she said she had some stuff she wanted to send me. And so let's look at it together. All right. Big box. So the first thing, this is pretty cool. Can you see that? When bull haulers do chickens. He's taking his cow taser and he tased the chicken and it went poof. That's pretty awesome. Ooh, look at this. Belt buckle. Can you see that? Let's take it out of the box. Wow, I've never seen that before. It almost looks foreign. No, made in the USA. Brass. So cool. That's awesome. Definitely gonna wear that. What else we got in here? We got a ruler. Truckers Service Association. Cool. TSA. We've got, check this out. We got a couple load seals. Look at that. Abbott Labs, Buffalo. That sounds familiar. This other one is Leshner, Macon. Must be Macon, Georgia. We've got an American Trucking Company directory. You can tell by the year of these trucks. It goes back a little ways. Let's see, what do we got in here? Oh, so it's got a directory of lots of trucking companies. Like that. Goes A through Z. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. I've never seen one of those before. We've got a pilot directory. Very cool. 1998 edition. Look at that. Awesome. We've got a hazardous materials book. I've got a few of these sitting at home, but not this version. That's pretty cool. J.J. Keller. Awesome. We've got a 1996 hazardous materials book. That's the one I have, but I can't find mine. That'll come in handy someday. Check this out. Midnight Rider lighter. I wonder if it works. Whoa! That's awesome. I wonder how old this is. Midnight Rider. That's freaking cool. Oh, wow. Look at this. Got a couple Matchbox trucks. Looks like a W900 and a T2000. See if I can find the years on this on the box. 2001. Yeah, that makes sense. That's really cool. Never been opened. It's a 1981 Aerodyne Kenworth, 1999 T2000. Made in 2001. Thank you so much. That is so cool. What do we got here? We get Ball's Trucker Guide to Santa Maria, Guadalupe, Oceana, Rio Grande, and Lompoc. It's a Thermo King Map. And I'm going to guess this is the produce area around Salinas, California. That is, so you know what, if your reefer breaks down, you need to get to a Thermo King dealer. Here you go, right here. Get maps to all the dealers. And on the back, get some advertisements. Abbott Street Cafe, Growers Ice Company. They got a 70-foot scale. Nice. Awesome. That's really cool. Never seen one of those before. We've got a old Flying J guide. If you need to find a Flying J, come find me. If you haven't been introduced to the internet yet. This is all pre-internet stuff. This is all we had back then. Temperature guide for produce. How cool is that? Say you got a load of apples, 32 degrees. You got a load of radishes, 34 degrees. And on the back, it says United Fresh Fruit and Vegetable Association tips on hauling produce. That is super cool. Because you know what? If you never did it before, or you're hauling a new fruit, how do you know what temperature? How do you know the best way to haul it? Now you got a guide. Let's see, we got a 1999 cat scale guide. Directory, I should say. 625 locations at the time. I wonder how many there are now. That's pretty cool. This is a box of treasures. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Katie. We have another Thermo King map. This is for Salinas. If you don't know what Salinas, California is, it's Northern California, and that's where a lot of the produce in this country comes from. And I hauled a lot of produce out of there myself. This is another guide, Thermo King, a Blue Beacon guide, 80 locations to Streakin' Beacon. If you want it done right, do it yourself. But you know, I know that's not possible on the road. This is a TA truck stop directory. I keep saying guide. Should be saying directory. These are directories. Oh, look at this. You might need a com check. Who remembers com checks? That's so cool. This one's already halfway written out. $1,153. Wow. It's probably for a lumper. These fees are astronomical. Again, there's some really good stuff in the bottom here, I can see. Emergency Response Guide, 1993. Here comes some real cool stuff. Oh, wow. A buckle. A nice Freightliner buckle. Look at that. I've never seen that one before. That's awesome. 2 buckles. Oh, wait, another buckle. Rally Lights. That's awesome. I actually have one of these. I don't know where it is. Now I got another one. Super. All right, here comes some real good stuff, okay? I got a box of 18-wheeler playing cards. Year, I don't know what year this is. Oh, 2002. Let's open it up. I've never had 18-wheeler playing cards. Or trading cards, they call them. Oh, look at these. Oh, who remembers that truck? It's one of the ugliest trucks ever. These are awesome. Look at these. Trying to get the glare out of the cards with this so shiny. Super cool. I'm gonna have to go through those later. Goes back in the box. Thank you, Katie. I really appreciate this. Oh, we got another box. Look at this one. It's in a clear container. 18-wheel trading cards. This is Series 1. Oh, cool. Series 1. There's 100 cards in here. That's fantastic. Oh, wow. I got an Iowa 80 Chrome catalog from Volume 6. I don't know what year this is. Volume 6, number 1. But that's cool. You know, before online, you know, that's how you bought your Chrome if you didn't get to the truck stop. Now I got 2 more things to show you. I got a stack of cat scale cards. Now, these are awesome. Now I have the set of the first cat scale cards the first year. This is probably the second year. Look at this, Earl Peterson. I don't even have to look in the back, Earl Peterson. Oh, look at this. That's Randy Yurton's truck now, owned by Doug Thompson back in the day. Look at this. The first Marmon, Matuzak. I remember him. Look at this. Seen that truck in person. This is awesome. Good old white. Never seen that one before. Bartleys. Anybody remember them? Sadie. This one's got a phone number written on it. I remember this old Mac Hanfield. These old friends of mine. Haven't seen them in the truck since the truck show days. Richard and Carol Frame. Nice produce wagon right there. I used to know this guy. Pierce. Actually, I didn't. I take that back. I don't want to say I knew somebody I didn't. Knew somebody had a truck like that. All right, what else we got in here? This truck I seen recently on the road. It's making a comeback. This old Freightliner. It's got the Iowa 80 original truck. What else? I used to know these people too. I did. I used to know people. Oh, look at this. Oh, I know this guy. Jason Alt. Awesome. Boy, I was show trucking when that truck was. Oh, wow. I used to know these people too. I lost touch. Dan Gleason and Kim from Patchett, Rhode Island. Wow. That's cool. Last but not least, look at this auto car. Super cool. And the last thing in the box I see is, I don't know if a lot of you new drivers don't know what these are, but it's a paper logbook. This one's from MS Carriers. Katie must have drove for MS Carriers back in the day. Look how it's folded. That's professional trucking right there. I love this. Let's see what she was doing. This is from September 21st, 1999. She was off duty that day. Katie, you had a day off. Let's see what else you got in here. You were off duty on the 22nd. We're checking your hours. On the 23rd, you went from Memphis, which everybody knows that's where MS Carriers was out of, to Dallas, and you ended up in San Antonio, and you drove 327 miles that day. Then you probably needed a nap after that, 'cause that's a big day. I'm just kidding. That's pretty cool. Hi, everybody. Appreciate it. Thank you, Katie, so much. You made my whole year with this box of super old school trucker treasures. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Boston Trucker, hit that subscribe button. Thanks.